Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, my budget, and also my journey to becoming debt free. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, I am going to be unstuffing my $20 savings challenge, y'all. It just ain't for me. It just ain't for me. And I apologize right now for my voice. If you don't know, I am getting over COVID, and yeah, my voice is horrible. Like, I was down for several weeks, you guys. Like, I thought I was only gonna be down for like 2 weeks. No, it was darn near a month that I was down. So yeah, let me switch this out. I feel like I'm gonna get burnt, or like burn my money. We don't want that. We don't want that. If I cough throughout this video, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to edit all of my coughing out of this video, but you know. So I do have $200 from my $20 savings challenge. I just don't feel like it's for me at this point in my life. Like, if I was debt free, then it would make sense. I mean, I don't know. Someone down in the comments explain, because like I said, it just doesn't make sense to me right now to be doing a savings challenge when I'm trying to pay off my debt. If that makes sense, let me know. I don't know. But let's count this: 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So what I want to do first is switch out some bills. I do have some money that needs to go back to the bank. In my back to the bank envelope, I do have this. And I am just going to switch out bills because, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm going to just switch out some bills simply because, you know, I need some smaller bills. So that's 20. So that goes over there. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, that's not going to work. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I thought I had more in back to the bank. I guess not. I'll just switch it out throughout my throughout the binder. But let me get out my sheet of the ones that I actually want to stuff. So I'm actually not going to be stuffing my everyday binder. I thought I was, but I'm not. I'm going to be stuffing my birthdays binder and also my sinking funds binder. And I actually do not need these ones, so I'm gonna switch these back out just in case I need them later on. And I'm gonna do that. Yeah, y'all know I just be all over the place. All right, so we should still have our 200, of course. Now I am going to stuff others' birthday. So let's go with the birthday binder first. I am going to stuff others' birthday. That means like other people other than like my immediate family, such as my kids and my husband. I am going to stuff that. I am putting $20 in this one. And you know what? I'm actually not going to stuff the whole 200. I'm only going to stuff the 100 of it. Today is the 18th of July. I know I haven't been on here in a while. So, like I said, I'm going to stuff 100. That gives us 50 inside of others' birthday. So 20, 40, 50. What have you all been up to? So I've been, let me know in the comments down below. But I have been seeing like a lot of cases. The COVID cases have been going up. A lot of people are being diagnosed with COVID. So if you guys don't know, I went to Costa Rica at the end of June and I came back with COVID. It was 14 of us that went, and half of us came back with it. 7 of us developed it. And for some odd reason, my roommate didn't even get it. She had symptoms, but she said she tested, she did an at-home kit, and she tested negative. So I was like, you are so lucky. But I am going to put 20 in vitamins. So have you all noticed that like the cases have been going up as well? Like, it's insane. I was like, I'm just not going to go anywhere like I've been doing. everybody was pushing me. Like, I am such a homebody, you guys. And everybody's like, you need to go somewhere. You need to go somewhere. Look what going somewhere got me. COVID. Alright, so student loans is going to get, oh, that's not, I need this one. Student loans is going to get 20 as well. So 17. So it should have 90, but it looks like, okay. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. And Jonathan's birthday is going to get 20 as well. His birthday, this is my stepson. Oh, Lord. His birthday is next month, early next month. So his will be fully, and I'm gonna just give him the money. Typically, I just give the kids the money. They're not like little adolescents anymore, and I don't need to like buy them something. They could just have the money. So yeah, now he has 20, 25, 30, and all I have to do is put 20 in there next month. Let's see what's next. Back to school is going to get 5. So, oh, wrong binder. Let's see, back to school. Here we go. So back to school is going to get 5. Again, my twin boys are still in school. If they need help with like paying for something, I will get it. I think yeah. So now back to school has 105. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105. And then the last one, the last 5 is going to go to travel. Travel is going to get 5 as well. We will be going to Ohio for my aunt's 50th birthday party next month. So this is going to come in handy because it is a long drive. I wish we were flying, but it costs way too much money for all of us to fly. So we're driving, yay. So now travel should have 150. So 20, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 145, 150. Like I said, this is really going to come in handy next month. All right, so we're done with both of my binders. Y'all, I'm always messing up stuff. I'm gonna save this leftover money, the other $100 from the savings challenge, towards my envelopes cash stuffing for this month of July. We'll see what happens. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh wait, I skipped something. Oh, student loans were supposed to get 30. I'm like, wait a minute, why do I have 110 left? Student loans were supposed to get 30. All right. To make it an even 100. I forgot. So 30 and 100. All right, that makes more sense. Now I don't have any. Y'all know I'm always, like, if I'm not on camera, I do fine. I do fine because, you know, I'm looking at the camera, making sure it's focused, making sure it's still recording. Because sometimes this camera be like, yeah, I want to be shady today. But yeah, I just make sure it's still recorded, and I be looking like up and down, up and down. And then I'm also looking on the side of me at my paper where how much I have to be deposited into each envelope. But yeah, that is all for today's video, you all. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye! We're chasing